Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how do I make Google Chrome my default search engine. Let's access Chrome. When you open a new tab, you can see the browser being used, which is not Google. To correct this, click on the menu and select Settings. You are going to open the search engine section. You can see the current search engine. Click on Change. There, activate the Google box. Click Set as Default. Now, when you open a new tab, Google will be the search engine. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.